Hi, this is Alex from ThirdEye Gen. Today, I will be teaching you how to use the various tools in our RealEye platform. Dashboard tab. Under the Dashboard tab, you can view enterprise analytics such as total user count, notifications, which are viewable by clicking on the bell icon at the top right of your screen, call activities, as well as user stats. You can also view your previous calls and call history data located at the bottom of your screen. Remote Assistance. Under the Remote Assistance tab, you can view users under your enterprise that are either online or offline for remote assistance calls. Your enterprise admin can view user data such as first and last name, whether the user is online or offline, and their email address. In order to initiate a remote assistance call, please click the green icon under the action column next to the desired users row. The admin of your RealEye account can also search for users using the search bar at the top left of the tab. Conference. With the Conference tab, you can create teleconferencing meetings with multiple users under your enterprise account. In order to create a new conference, please click the New Conference button. After clicking this button, a conference ID will be automatically generated. Your enterprise's admin can then enter a name for the conference and invite users under the enterprise's account to the new meeting. The admin can also check the Make Conference Open button to allow participants from outside of your enterprise to join the conference as well. After the details of the conference are filled out, please click the Create and Join button to launch the conference and to send a notification to all of the invited participants. Admins can also repeat this process under the Schedule button to schedule a conference for a later date. Under the Conference tab in the RealEye platform, users can also join active conferences by inputting the 6-digit conference ID number and their respective passwords. Team. Under the Team tab, your admin can add and/or view users that are associated with your enterprise account. Admins can view user information such as first and last name, online status, email address, and their role. Furthermore, admins can delete existing users under the enterprise's RealEye account and also add new users by clicking the plus sign button at the top right of the tab. Tasks. Under the Task tab, admins can create tasks to assign to users under their enterprise account. After the task has been assigned to one of your team members, the task information can then be viewed on the Task Management dashboard. This information includes task ID number, title of the task, task description, number of steps, status, and the date and time that the task was last updated. It will also give you an option to delete or view current tasks. Files. We will now jump down to the Files tab, where your admin can upload a file or multiple files to your RealEye account. Under the File Manager, you can view file names, sizes, descriptions, and the dates that they were created. Admins can also assign files to specific users under your enterprise account and download or delete previously uploaded files. Subscription. The final tab under the RealEye Platform is Subscriptions. Under this tab, admins can view their current RealEye subscription and plan details. You can also update your preferred subscription by clicking the subscribe button and then make a payment for your plan. Thank you for using RealEye, and if you have any questions about how to utilize the platform, please contact support@thirdeyegen.com.